Hey there, and welcome. If you've ever needed to format financial figures in Excel, but weren't sure how to change the currency symbol, don't worry, I've got you covered. Today, I'll walk you through an easy way to update currency formatting in just a few clicks. I'm Hannah, your Excel teacher from Sheet Leveler, and I love making Excel easy for everyone. So grab your spreadsheet and follow along. Trust me, you'll be a pro at this in no time. First things first. Before we change the currency, we need to select the cells where we want the new format to apply. You can select a single cell, multiple cells, an entire column or row. In this example, we're working with the total column, so let's select the whole thing to make sure all amounts display the correct currency. Now, let's apply the currency format. Right-click anywhere in the selected cells. Choose Format Cells from the menu. This will open a pop-up window with different formatting options. In the Category section, look for Currency and click on it. On the right, you'll see a drop-down with tons of currency options from around the world. Even Bitcoin is on the list. For this example, let's choose US dollars, but you can select whatever currency you need. Pro tip: you can also adjust the number of decimal places here. If you don't need cents, set the decimal places to 0. Clean and simple. Once you're happy with your selection, just click OK, and boom. Your numbers are now in the right currency format. Need to switch currencies? No problem. Just follow the same steps. Select the cells. Right-click to Format Cells. Pick a different currency, like euros. Hit OK, and your values instantly update to the new currency. So simple. Want your numbers without a currency symbol? Easy fix. Select your cells. Right-click Format Cells. Instead of currency, choose number. From here, you can also set decimal places. 0 if you don't need cents. Add or remove the thousand separator for 1000 verses. Click OK. And now your values appear as plain numbers with no currency symbol. See how easy that was? Excel makes it super simple to format numbers exactly how you need them. Now, you can confidently switch currencies, adjust decimal places, or remove currency symbols whenever you need. If you found this helpful, let me know in the comments. And if you love learning Excel the easy way, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss a new tip. Happy excelling!